Hi, I'm Tony Lisi, Customer Support Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to talk to you about audits. With constant manpower shortages, preventative maintenance is becoming increasingly difficult. In some plants, we're finding maintenance departments being reactive and having to find creative ways to keep the equipment running until they can get the parts they need. This is where a Lyco comprehensive audit can save money and, more importantly, downtime. An audit is scheduled at a time when it is convenient for you and your production team. We come on site to thoroughly inspect your Lyco, answer questions, if needed, train maintenance personnel on the best methods to repair an item, then review the findings before we leave. We'll follow up with a complete report and periodically check in to monitor your progress. The report is broken down into 3 areas: items that need immediate attention, items that you should monitor, and repairs that can be done over time at your convenience. All with the goal of helping you get back on a preventative maintenance program, eliminating costly breakdowns. Servicing and supporting our customers is a top priority, especially when it comes to keeping your equipment running smoothly. Our service team is here and available to you 24/7. Please call us at 920-623-4152 and ask for our service department, or visit us on the web at www.lycomfg.com.